Exercise of Chapter 7, Class 8th. Question A. Multiple choice question. Tick the correct answer. First is, different species are classified under threatened categories in the. Options are yellow data book, black data book, blue data book, red data book. Its answer is red data book. Question 2. WWF works in the field of. Options are wildlife conservation, water conservation, forest conservation, both A and C. Its answer is wildlife conservation. Question 3. Wildlife is depleting due to. Options are soil erosion, loss of minerals, hunting and poaching, loss of sunlight. Answer is hunting and poaching. Question 4. Which one of the following is not under a conservation category of wildlife? Options are extinct, endangered, endemic, and vulnerable. Answer is endemic. Endemic. Fifth one is dash is mainly responsible for extinction of a species. Options are loss of natural habitat, excessive use of chemical fertilizers and pesticides, zoological parks, rapid urbanization. Answer is loss of natural habitat. Now question B. Alternative response type. True or false type. First one is dodo is one of the extinct animal known to us. Answer is true. It is true. Dodo is extinct bird. Second is fast rate of population growth of animals has no effect on depletion of natural resources. Answer is false. Fast rate of population growth of animals has no effect on depletion of natural resources. This statement is false. Now right or wrong, yes or no type. First is species of plants together are known as flora, whereas those of animals are known as fauna. Answer is yes. Second is zoo and sanctuaries keep orphaned or sick animal. Its answer is no. Now question C, analogy type. Environment Protection Act 1986, Forest Conservation Act 1980, Wild Protection Act 1972. Now children, match the three column. Column 1, column 2, column 3. First column, National Park and Sanctuary. Second column, State and Region. And column 3, this is famous for. Now first is Gir Sanctuary. Gir Sanctuary, it is in Gujarat. Gir Sanctuary, it is in Gujarat and it is famous for Asiatic lions. Gir Sanctuary is famous for Asiatic lions. Now second is Desert National Park. Desert National Park, it is in Uttarakhand and it is famous for tiger. Third is Dachigam Sanctuary. Dachigam Sanctuary, it is in Kashmir and it is famous for stag. Now fourth is Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary. Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary, it is in Rajasthan and it is famous for Siberian cranes. Siberian cranes, these are the migratory birds. Now fifth one is Bandipur Sanctuary. Bandipur Sanctuary, it is in Karnataka and it is famous for Indian elephants. Indian elephants. Now question E. Fill in the blanks. First is Corbett National Park is located in dash. Its answer is Uttaranchal. Corbett National Park is located in Uttaranchal. Now second is in a sanctuary only dash are protected. Only fauna, F-A-U-N-A, fauna are protected. Question 3. Conservation means dash environment, to preserve and protect environment. Conservation means to preserve and protect environment. Fourth is endangered dash are those which are in the dash of extinction. Answer is endangered species. Species are those which are in the verge of extinction. VERGE, verge of extinction. Fifth is a book in which information on threatened species is given is called dash. It is called red data book. Red data book.